What's up guys, I'm Owen and welcome back to another LEGO video on Owen's LEGO Show. And today I'm going to be building and reviewing the LEGO City Monster Truck set. It's set number 60402, recommended for ages 5 and up, and it has 148 pieces. And it comes with one minifigure, which is the monster truck driver right here. Here's a look at the back. We can see the monster truck driver out of the vehicle. And yeah, that's pretty much it, I guess. And some details. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright, let's open this up and see what we get. The box may look big on the camera, but trust me, it is not that big. Okay, how do I get this thing out? Okay, so here's what we get. We get one of the tires for the monster truck, another tire, another tire, a bag free, a gray piece, bag 2, another black tire, and bag 1. We also get the instruction booklet and anything else. And that's pretty much all you get. Alright, time to build. Alright everyone, I just finished building this set right here. So for now, let's look at the driver. Here he is in a dark blue, white blue driving suit. We can see a little bit of flame or ocean right here. With black gloves. Even some more on the bag. With like some sort of gold necklace, I think. It has a zipper right there. He has a clear helmet right here, which is black, that can move up and down. And he has one face expression, which is happy, but he also comes with a hairpiece, like that. And that's pretty much it. So now let's take a look at the monster truck. So we can see some blue flaming details, a lot of black and dark blue and light blue details, more flaming and fire water on the back. Here's what the monster truck looks like in the back. It's got some big tires, 4 of them, of course. It's got some yellow lights right here, an engine. An engine right there. A clear glass right here. And the top can come on with it, or the windshield. And inside there's a seat for the driver and a steering wheel. So we can put the driver in. Oh, whoops. And just like that, he's in his monster truck, right here. Alright everyone, that was the LEGO reviewing video of the LEGO City Monster Truck set. I hope you guys enjoyed, and please make sure that you guys subscribe if you do enjoy it, and hit the like button, and turn on the notification bells on so now you never miss any of my future videos. And I'll see you guys in my next LEGO video. Bye!